Today I am going to show you CloudWatch AI, a deep learning framework for cloud density monitoring. To run this project, first we need to open command prompt in this location. For that, we need to type cmd. When a console is opened, we need to type python manage.py run server. Copy this address and paste it on any browser. This is our project's index page. This project is divided into three modules: admin, builder and user. Let's see what are the functionalities for admin. Admin credentials are admin and admin. This is admin dashboard. So admin uploads the dataset. Dataset is uploaded. These are the dataset stats. Total images are 2000 and labels are 2000. A number of count are 13 and 53. Average crowd count is 31. These are the images which have been used for training. An admin can also view users and feedbacks. Logout. And next module is builder, also known as model builder. Credentials for this builder are builder and builder. This is the builder's dashboard. Builder view the dataset. And pre-process it. We have applied data augmentation by rotating and zooming 20% and horizontal flip. And we have resized the image to 224 into 224 pixel and split the dataset 80% for training and 20% for testing or validation. After training, we got these stats. We have used CNN and we got 82% accuracy. These are the graphs and training history. This is the sample prediction. And logout. And next module is a user. User need to register first. After registration, user can log in. As I have previously registered, I can log in immediately with my credentials. So first user predicts the crowd by uploading the image. For example, I have uploaded this image. This is the image preview. Model uses this image to make predictions. Here our project is to predict how many people are in the image, and we got 39. This is the user's history, and from here you can predict the crowd automatically. And stop. Next feature is users feedback. From here you can send a feedback to admin and log out.